Okay guys, here's the unboxing of my new Everlast Mig Welder. Let's see how it goes. Trusty old friend. Okay, so had to buy this for an upcoming project. Usually I TIG weld everything. I have a Everlast 225 EXT. I've taught a lot of people how to TIG weld on it, and suggested they get the same welder or go with an Everlast. Been really impressed with their performance. Honestly, like a blind back-to-back test between an Everlast 225 EXT and what is it? The Dynasty. I've welded with many Dynasties. Excuse me. I've welded with many Dynasties, and I mean, they're an amazing machine, but man, so is the EXT. The Everlast really, like, for the price, it's hard to beat it. I'd like to see some people do some comparisons. Maybe I'll do it, but not today. Let's unbox this bad boy. This is the 230i. Let's see here. I already cut everything else off. Okay, a goodie box right there. Okay, we got a manual. That's cool. My lift didn't come with a manual. It was half this, or twice as much. Just like that. Oh, cool. Oh, that's cool, nice. Oh, I never wrap them up that tight. I think it ruins the liner. Man, it is short. Ooh. That is 10 feet long. Oh my, well, that might be my first upgrade. Let's get that laid out. Bam, just like that, it's magic and it's all gone. Yeah, okay. Too bad I asked him specifically if it came with the copper one like my TIG welder did, and I tried to order it, and it's not. Must be pieces for the Mig Welder itself. I didn't know it was it must do arc welding. Small gas line, black instead of clear like the TIG welder, adapter, consumables, the different rollers for different type of wire, and different consumables and wire size. That's nice. Regulator. That's nice. Oh, there's some solder. Fancy. Let's see if there's power here. There's power here. I'll bring it right here. It'll work. Paid good money for this. I'm gonna take care of it. You know what I'm saying? So this is working.
Yeah, that's nice. That was a big spool too.
It's a good looking welder.
Look at that. They included the Allen to put the handle on.
Cool. I need some wire. That's it. That's the video. I'm gonna get some wire and then we'll do some welding.